Morning, Chris.
Morning.
So today we want to talk about the digital and marketing challenges that the professional services industries face.
It's quite an interesting sector because traditionally this is a group of companies and industries even that have been quite slow to catch up with technology. And what we've seen over the past few years are professional service firms catching up with general trends in other industries and embracing technology in lots of different ways to market their services. Some of the unique challenges in this sector are often around getting a clear communication of what they actually offer to different industries, different sectors, types of service. But the way that technology can be used now is you can identify an industry that a visitor to your website is coming from, and you can actually target some content specifically at them. And we've actually developed personalisation technology in our marketing CMS that enables our clients to target the user very specifically, even down to the individual actually.
So that sounds magical, but it also sounds as if there might be a lot of work involved. Is there a massive amount of work?
Thankfully, no. In fact, there's hardly any. What we're doing is we're treating that visitor as an individual, but anonymously. And we're storing information as a cookie on their browser. And as they go through the website, we're tracking what they're looking at by using tags that are attached to the pieces of content that they're viewing. So the site automatically tracks that. And then, depending on a set of rules that we can set up in the content management system, we can then determine what type of content is displayed. And it all happens automatically. And once you've set up the rules and everything is tagged, then it just works.
And how does that work? Not in terms of the technology behind it, but in terms of how successful it is in meeting some of those challenges.
Well, it's great because you only have a very short space of time, as we know, to capture somebody's interest. Yasmin on our team gave me a statistic this morning. Apparently, our average attention spans is down to about 8 seconds now.
Wow.
Which is something like 1 second less than a goldfish.
Wow.
So you really need to deliver information that's relevant to the visitor as quickly as you can. So in doing that, it's extremely successful.
What other challenges in this particular sector can be addressed by artificial intelligence, if any?
There are lots actually, and one of the real pains for professional service firms over the years, I mean going way back, has been the burden of admin that needs to be done.
Yeah, sure.
And whether that's filing documents, following up on outstanding accounts, all that takes an age to file and catalogue and make sure that it is available when people actually need it. And we can use AI to identify certain key phrases, words within documents, and they can then be automatically catalogued and indexed and make it available at the click of a button.
So this is properly new technology and presumably evolving daily.
It is, yeah. In fact, we're constantly coming up with new content about it, so I'd encourage people to keep an eye on our channels and on our blog on our website because there'll be lots more to come on this.